iAuto replacement feeder sensor parts tutorial. Loosen the two screws fixing the paper feeder. After releasing, take out the left end first and let the paper dispenser tilt. Unplug the motor plug. And loosen the sensor plug. You take out the wire, you take out the feeder. Flip feeder. We need to replace this part. There is a raised part that is extremely easy to damage. Be sure to keep the paper rubbing shaft from rotating. Force can directly separate the paper rubbing shaft and the part. You can directly separate the paper feeding shaft and part. Take out the part. If it is missing here, it proves that the part is damaged. Assuming this is new, install it at this angle. Just install the paper feeding shaft. Plug in the motor plug. Load the cable into the feeder exactly this way. Plug in the plug. Be sure to note that this cable is outside the component. Be sure to check the cable after putting it back into the feeder not to get involved in the replacement part.